You will be amazed by this 2018 Lincoln Continental. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this exceptional Lincoln Continental, the full-size luxury sedan that blends elegance of design with upscale interior and smooth performance to create a superlative passenger experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, power passenger seat, active suspension, heated mirrors, woodgrain interior trim, remote engine start, satellite radio, aluminum wheels. Life just got better. Savor the richness of indulgence in this well-appointed Continental. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.